Hey everybody, it's Glenn Depke from Depke Wellness, and continuing our conversation that's been going on over the last week or so in regard to brain degenerative issues. The fact that most people are afraid of developing things like dementia, Alzheimer's, ALS, Parkinson's disease, and other neurological degenerative issues later in life. Because really, think about it. Don't you just want to enjoy a happy, healthy, vibrant life until the very end of life, rather than, basically maybe experiencing something like my mother did, where her last 13 months of her life she spent in a hospital bed in my parents' living room, being fed baby food and basically having her diapers changed on a regular basis. Watching that is like the recognition of what exactly you don't want. So let's focus on what you do want, which is to keep your brain happy and healthy. Now over the last, as I mentioned, week or so, I've been giving tips to prevent neurological degeneration and basically tips to keep your brain happy and healthy. If you're looking to get all of these tips, look under the category of anti-aging and you'll see them tied in with a title of brain health tied into all of those. But I want to continue this series, and today I want to talk about something that's very basic, very simple, that you need to keep your brain healthy, and it's something that you're likely not getting right now. And it's one of the more basic fundamentals of health that you need to keep not only your brain healthy, but your whole body healthy, and that's sleep. If you're the person who you're going to bed at midnight every night and getting up, regardless of the time of the day, even if you're just, getting up still at around 6 o'clock and only getting 6 hours of sleep or maybe less, or maybe you're going to bed at 12 or 1 in the morning, but you think that, I'm getting enough sleep because I'm not waking up until like 8 or 9. The simple reality is that you need enough sleep, which is generally regarded as approximately 8 hours. Some people could do great on 7, some people need 9, but we need the adequate sleep for our own bodies for the brain to actually maintain and repair itself. Those times in the night when you get into that really deep rest and restorative sleep is when your immune system becomes very active in maintaining and repairing your body, and really the focus here today is maintaining and repairing your brain. And other aspects of this, when you go to bed, if you go to bed at midnight and don't wake up until 8 or 9, you're not really getting enough hours of that deep restorative sleep. Because there's certain rhythms that your body has that are regulated by hormones, or regulated by the sun going up and down, the magnetic shift in the earth. And really the optimal time to wake up in the morning is right around the time that the sun comes up. And the best time to go to bed is approximately 8 or so hours before that. So when you're sleeping, let's say the sun comes up at 6 a.m., but you're sleeping until 8 or 9, once the sun comes up and then initiates and basically a stimulated hormone response in your body, the rest and repair, that like really deep immune response to help your brain repair and maintain itself, isn't happening at the same level. So you basically miss some of the sleep hours that you need to keep your brain healthy. So make a commitment. If you're the person who you go to bed at 12 or midnight, I don't expect you to all of a sudden tomorrow night or tonight to go to bed at like 9:30 or 10. But make a commitment to going to bed about 5 minutes earlier every night, every day, until you get to the point where you're going to bed at, like somewhere between 9:30 and 10:30. And again, getting up somewhere around the time when the sun comes up. And that will have a huge impact on your brain health, keeping your brain happy and healthy, and really helping you prevent developing any neurodegenerative issues later in life. So when you want more information on brain health and keeping your brain happy and healthy, make sure that you hit the subscribe button for this channel. To get notifications when these videos come live for you, click on the little bell on the upper right. That will give you those notifications. And if you have any comments or questions, just post those below, and I will be more than happy to reply to these personally. And if there's any other subjects outside of brain health or things that I've already discussed on my channel that you want to know from a health perspective, just post that below and I'll put that in the queue for upcoming topics. So everybody, have a great day, get some sleep, and keep your brain happy and healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.